Shwmae everybody, a chroeso I Welsh with Woe. I'm Woe Addams, and in this week's episode I'm going to teach you the months of the year.
Gwersyll, misoedd.
Hi Griff! Oh my god, what are you doing here so early?
I'm really excited about today's lesson!
Why?
Because we're doing months and today's my birthday!
Oh, Penrith hapus, Griff.
Thank you!
So you're excited to teach everybody all of the months of the year? Well, there's no time like the present, let's go for it. You've got January,
January!
which is your now.
You're now!
February,
February!
which is Chwefror.
Chwefror!
March.
March!
Okay, you need to chill out. Take a deep breath in. Ie, wel wedes i wrthai. Drian a Mrs Waldo. O mistake oedd priodi, ond oedd rhaid I fi. Ie, rieni. Reit, wel, car fi fynd. Ok, hwyl fawr, hwyl fawr. And out. Calm.
Yeah!
Okay. March is mouth.
Mouth.
April is Ebrich.
Ebrich.
May is Mai.
Oh my! Like my birthday, how exciting!
June is Mehefin.
The heaven.
July is Gorffennaf,
Gorffennaf.
which literally translates to the end of summer. Gorffen haf.
Wow.
August is Aust.
Oust.
September is Medi.
Medi.
October is Hydref.
Hedref.
November is Tachwedd.
Tachwedd.
And December, Ragfyr.
Ragfyr. Oh, that's a fun one too, because that's got Christmas in. Although Christmas isn't nearly as exciting as my birthday. When's your birthday, Miss Addams?
Friday the 13th.
Oh, which one?
All of them.
Wow.
So when I was in school, I learned the months of the year through song. Do you want to sing a song with me?
Yeah!
Let's go for it. 1, 2, 3. You're nawr Chwefror Mawrth ac Ebrich, mae Mehefin a Gorffennaf, Awst a Medi, Hydref, Tachwedd, Ragfyr, 12 mis. That last bit, the 12 mis, is just Welsh for 12 months.
So, my birthday, which is today, is 23 o Mai.
Yeah, I mean grammatically it's actually a trydydd ar ugain o Mai, but we won't go into it, we haven't got the time. I've got a surprise for you. Cover your eyes. Surprise!
Oh, thank you so much, Miss Addams. This is my favourite stock photo of a party.
It's the best I could afford. Penrith hapus, Griff, and hwyl fawr everyone.
Hoi fawr! If you're enjoying Welsh with Woe, make sure to like and subscribe. Look, down there. That's where it all is.